Hey guys, welcome. If you're self-employed, freelancing, or running a small business with no full-time employees, opening a Fidelity Solo 401k is one of the best ways to slash your tax bill and save massive amounts for retirement. So to open a Solo 401k, you must have self-employed income and no full-time staff other than yourself or your spouse. So just head over to fidelity.com to this address on your browser, hover over Accounts and Trade, and click Open an Account. You can scroll down through Retirement Accounts choices until you see Self-Employed 401k. And next to it, just click Open. So if I go Open Account, find this account type here, view all accounts, and you can find the precise account type you need. Then guys, we can fill the business details and set up your plan structure. So sign in with your existing Fidelity login or select New to Fidelity to build your profile. Then enter your official business name, address, and your employee identification number or social security number as well. Select Fidelity's adoption agreement. The pre-approved prototype plan document keeps things hassle-free. Choose whether you want to enable Roth contributions. Alongside traditional pre-tax options, assign your beneficiaries and submit your application to generate your new plan number. That's all there is to it. Your Solo 401k is ready to fund.